हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर न्यू वीडियो। तो अभी व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इफ़ यू आस्क मी। सो बेसिकली वेट, आई विल बी राइट बैक। हेलो गाइस, सो वीडियो कंटिन्यू करते हैं। सर्वर में से मैं आउट हो गया था, ज़रा से ना होते रहते हैं नेटवर्क के प्रॉब्लम्स। ओके, सो एक्चुअली मैं बोलूँ ना, सो एक्चुअली मैं धैर्यफाई गेमिंग के साथ खेलता हूँ और आई कॉल हिम धैर्य। ओके, सो आई बेसिकली प्ले दिस विद धैर्य एंड दिस वीडियो इज़ बेसिकली गोइंग टू बी लाइक अ टूर टाइप थिंग। ओके, तो नहीं मैं अभी तक ये इसमें क्या किए हैं हम लोग ने। फ्री फायर के वीडियोस भी आने वाले हैं। इफ़ यू आर वंडरिंग कि फ्री फायर किधर है, कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी किधर है, कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी आएगा, फ्री फायर आएगा। ब्रॉल स्टार्स का आई एम डाउटफुल बिकॉज ब्रॉल स्टार्स में डाल पाऊँगा या नहीं है मेरे को पता नहीं एक्चुअली, सो वी विल सी अबाउट दैट। सो या टूर बिगिंस एंड ओके, सो एक हमारे पास ये पेलागोर्नस है, मैंने टेम किया था। Actually, if you guys didn't know, there is like a really new player. So he is like kind of a noob. So he needs to be like told every single thing. जो I agree होता है, पहले मैं भी noob था. So YouTube videos वगैरह देख के. Okay. So ये पहला कॉर्नस है, लेवल हमारा 19 का. Then we have Vibes, which is Dharya's Parasaur. He tamed him. And this is basically our land mount for now. Raptor आएगा. Then we have these two Yala and Yappa. I have named them. Yappa is like a really low level, whereas Yala is a pretty good level if I don't lie. It's like 99, which is very good. Max level I think in the server is like 200 something. So yeah. Then if you guys can see weight, like these, they both are for weight. Okay, like you carry weight, you also carry weight. Then we have this dodo right here, which poops and gives eggs, I guess. I have kept a dodo because, and by the way, this is traded. I got him for free. So the whole reason why I've kept him is because for eggs, I need eggs to make some kibble to like PT tame करने. So yeah, there we go. Then we have this Lystrosaurus. He is basically used for like leveling up purposes, like the basic stuff. Okay, if you pet him, he like gives a level bonus or whatever. Okay, so this is our base location right here. I won't tell you the name of the server because I don't want to. See, this is the server, not the server, I mean like the place where we live. Okay, now house tour. Thing number 1. Wait, this is not good, it's night. Yeah, okay, so this is basically how our house looks. Then there's actually a rope ladder over here. Climb it, and this is the top of our base. This is where I used to keep my dodo. Like I had another female dodo which was like like the original wild wala size, and my Pelagornis, cause first we didn't build like all of this. I like made it bigger like yesterday or something. First it was like somewhere like from here to like this corner, so it was like really small. I couldn't keep all of my dinos like in here, so I had to keep them up there. And then there's another ladder. If you exit through this gate, then there is another ladder right there. So time you can climb this ladder. Wait, how am I not able to climb it? I get it. Yeah, it happens sometimes, guys. होता है. So where did it go? Yeah, I'll replace this. Then now house tour time. Okay, so house, I will just show like the what I've kept where, like house tour really goes. So this is the starting place. There are a lot of Brontos here actually, so like you can't just come around and like keep punching just to open a gate. you need to get close to it and then you need to tap on it, because like sometimes like if you guys didn't know, it's a bit glitched or a bug I could say. Like the Brontos and all, like their tails come inside like through the walls, so like it isn't easy for someone to like who lives around Brontos, especially like me, to just keep going everywhere like and hitting buttons and all. Okay, so this is the entry gate. We enter from here. This is my friend Therify's room, or who I call Theria. If you're wondering why it's so small, it's like basically a spawn point and like for spark powder, and this is our weaponry chest, which is basically like ammo and gunpowder stuff. Then after this is Therios. Then here we have a smithy. So the smithy is basically for the resources and all to craft stuff, if you guys didn't know. Then there's one like door to get out of here, and then there is a door over here which you can we have the so you have the preserve. This is my room actually. So this is basically more of a resource and like storage room. So we have the preserving bin in which there are my dodo eggs, and then there is the refining forge, the large storage boxes. Just in case you're wondering, this is what we keep in the storage box. This like I was going to place it, but that dino isn't dead yet. He's gonna die pretty soon. You guys will come to know in like the next video or something. Had to tame a Phiomia. Haven't tamed one. I just got it from the drop. So that's that. Why is it lagging so much? Okay, so the bed and bed. The mortar pestle is actually like right behind over here. Hard to find, to be honest. Then if we Pelagornis, help me please. I can just walk out, but for a better view I'll just show you how my base looks from the top. So like it basically looks like this. There's a river over here, and it's not a private server, like it isn't our server, because no money investing in games. So like it's a server in which we are playing. Then this is the roof. Then we actually have a raft over here, which I have named Quagged, because why not. There's a bed on it, and of course a storage box, because yes, metal. I went like, if you guys didn't know, like that island right there in the bottom right, like there, so that island right there, it actually has some metal nodes on it. So I went there to collect those. So this is basically a raft, not that big. That's a blue drop. And if you guys didn't know, Pelagornises can sit on water and of course swim like ducks and whatnot. Oh my god, there are sharks here. Not gonna try. Okay, then this is our farm and farming, like the crop plots. Okay, so by the way, another thing, our cooking pot for the fuel and all. And by fuel I mean like wait, why is it not growing? So by fuel I meant our crop plots. What am I even saying? Okay, weird. Let's not discuss what just happened. Okay, so this is the mejoberry farm, I could say, like where we grow mejoberries for taming dinos. And this is a very useful one. Narcoberries, useful, I know. It was fully grown, but like I was out of resources, like out of poop and all, fertilizer. So that didn't work out. So now it's growing. This was actually for rockets, because rockets have root. You need that stuff. Plus we need more compost bins because they're useful. Okay, now then I'll leave you there for some time. Then we have the compost bin, thatch floors, loot drops से मिले थे. So here we have Yeah, I was actually going to go to the green obelisk, which is like, I think in that direction somewhere, maybe. Yeah, Dharya just messaged me something. So like in that direction, and then the red is in there, that direction, and the blue is like on top of that mountain. So yeah, I have to like go there. I haven't gone there. Dungeon Wangara. Don't have the, yeah, ignore those messages by the way. He's just messaging me because I asked him if he would play. Then he said no, not right now. He was busy. I just told him, oh well, okay. Now then, what? Yeah. So yeah, that's it for the 10 minutes short video. Next time when we talk, it will be like a Pteranodon taming video. So yeah, let's search for good level Pteranodons. If you are wondering why I have that flare gun, it's because my friend Dheri over here is a pretty big noob. So he needs some guidance. And by guidance I mean if we just go like different routes, so like what happens most of the time is, so like we are basically near the river whenever we play. For the, yeah, ignore the background noise. So like when we are like here for stone, then for the fiber, or like for wood, so then what we do is Dharya goes to get like some stone and whatnot, and I go for wood and the thing. So we use our carbonimuses because they have a good amount of it, not that high to be honest. Okay. And yeah, by the way, if you're wondering, you should make a base here, like where I have a base, or you could make it over here. The reason why I'm telling you is, you have wood, the green obelisk is nearby, like that's the green obelisk. Drops, there are a lot of drops here. Then yeah, it's pretty, like there are rocks and all, and it's a pretty empty area, like no dangerous rhinos. If you want to do a hardcore survival, something like that, then sure, go for it. I'm not like telling you not to. Okay, so yeah, this is where we live. Again, coordinates I can't tell you, this is all I can do as for the coordinates. So yeah, I think that will be it for today's video, guys. Tell me if I should add an intro actually. Yeah, just please tell me if I should add an intro, because intros are needed, because intros are needed again. Yeah, I'm kind of I think I'm funny, but I know that I'm not funny, so that's a thing, I guess. Yeah, let's just end it. Okay, bye guys.